This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Windows. Emulators are essential tools that allow you to run Android applications directly on your computer. Tencent Gaming Buddy, also known as Game Loop, is the official and recommended emulator for PUBG Mobile, offering a highly optimized experience. It ensures smooth gameplay and proper controls. Before you begin, make sure your Windows system meets the minimum specifications for the emulator and the game itself. To get started, first download the Game Loop emulator installer from its official website. Once downloaded, locate the executable file and run it. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process, which usually takes just a few minutes. After Game Loop is installed, it will automatically detect and begin downloading PUBG Mobile for you, ensuring you have the latest version ready to play. Once PUBG Mobile is installed within Game Loop, you'll find that it comes with pre-configured keyboard and mouse controls, making it easy to jump right in. However, you can fully customize these keybinds to perfectly match your preferred playstyle. Additionally, take some time to adjust the in-game graphics settings. Balancing visual quality with performance is key for a smooth experience, and ensure your display resolution is set correctly for your monitor. For the best possible performance, always close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also crucial, as this can significantly improve game stability and frame rates. Within Game Loop settings, you can allocate more RAM and CPU cores to the emulator, which can boost performance. If you encounter any minor issues, a simple restart of Game Loop or your entire computer often resolves them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.